us and helps us create content
Hey,
that
that's what
meets
we
your
did
interests.
Sunday too. Hey, it was a
Thanks
good
again
time
for
though. We got
watching,
Howard when we
and
was
until
here.
next time, stay curious.
Stay curious.
Starting tomorrow, Missourians can apply for a license to run a marijuana
When is it
micro
starting this
business.
year? I'm gonna
It's
have to
the
look.
latest part of Amendment 3 to roll out after voters approved it in November.
Now, the state will award 6 licenses in each of Missouri's congressional districts this fall. Lauren Schwinker explains what these businesses will provide and how you can apply for a license to run one. Lauren.
Yeah, well, Paul, you can apply right here on the Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services website. All you'll have to do is scroll to the very bottom, and it opens up at midnight. Now, there is a $1,500 application fee, but it gets refunded if you do not get a license in this round.
Micro marijuana business license enables one to cultivate up to 250 plants at a time, meaning you could have 3 to 4 harvests per year.
And applications for those licenses open Thursday.
He
The
said
people
it
who
came
apply
with that
for
Baby
these
D
licenses
energy.
need to meet one or more
That blanket
of
shit,
approximately
that
6
sugar cane
criteria.
molasses,
Dan
baby.
Bates is the state coordinator for the group Normal,
Yeah, there was
which
glitter,
supports legal recreational
sprinkles.
marijuana use.
The criteria include being relatively poor. You don't have to be destitute, but you have to have had an income in at least 3 of the past 10 years below 2.5 times the federal poverty level.
It's something local dispensaries say they're excited about.
We look at it as an exciting time for more cannabis culture people to be in the business. You know, I mean, we are basically a micro license as the way it sits now because we're one of the very few dispensaries that has one license.
Alex Paulson, one of the owners of Easy Mountain Dispensary in Republic, says he thinks it will balance out product availability.
We're really excited to see more craft and boutique cannabis come on the market, which the micro licenses will have the huge advantage of being able to lean into craft and boutique style cannabis.
The state will be awarding micro business licenses to 48 owners, split up across Missouri's 8 congressional districts with 6 per district. 4 of those will be wholesale businesses that can both manufacture products and cultivate the plant.
We're a fan of the plant, we're a fan of the culture, and so we see this as a win for everybody.
Now applications close Thursday, August 10th, and we have links to those applications at the bottom of this article on KY3.com.
At first, it seems like an ordinary traffic stop along I-94 near Highway 11 in Racine County.
The reason why I stopped, you're going 81 miles per hour. You was like going that fast? I'm sorry. We're just trying to get back to Green Bay, sir.
Until Racine County Sheriff's deputies reported smelling marijuana.
How much weed you got in there? No, we had smoked earlier.
They're seen asking the driver and 2 passengers to step out of the car, soon realizing who was behind the wheel.
So we played for the Panthers, sir. We just coming back from the We smoked earlier. Play for the Packers?
Zadarius Smith, a starting linebacker, tells deputies they smoked about an hour and a half prior. Also in the car, rookies Kingsley Kiki and Rashawn Geary. All 3 men were handcuffed and placed into squads.
Oh shit! I forgot I got this video.
Got some, I don't know, this bag that says there's ID in it.
Finding 3 blunts in a backwoods cigar bag and a vape cartridge, they approach Smith.
So here's the deal. So we just need to figure out what it is because you're just going to get an ordinance ticket, and then you guys are going to be on your way.
I didn't know that was in there.
Soon, Smith is back in his vehicle.
All right, man. So there's just the 2 tickets, okay?
During a post-game interview Sunday, Smith addressed the traffic stop, apologizing to his fans and his team.
That's not me. I'm not that guy. I just want to apologize.
For
now,
what?
Those 2 tickets came.
I'm a professional football player who can't smoke weed in my free time. Yeah, it looked bad on TV, but I mean, I'm a professional football player who can't smoke weed in my free time. Well, yeah, I mean, whatever that means. It's not one of those sports enhancers. Although, I do have evidence that it is a sports enhancer, but we're just gonna overlook that because he wasn't using it for that. It's something for his recreationals because it gives you those advanced healing factors that they want to deny when they say it doesn't positively benefit you. Well, if we can't play sports and smoke weed at the same time for that exact reason. They said it's a mood enhancement. It might enhance your activities. You might be a Michael Phelps.
To just under $540, but according to online court records, Smith's
Hey, straight
attorney
up.
entered him into not guilty pleas. We did try reaching out to Smith's lawyer today, but have not yet heard back. Reporting live in Racine County, Casey Cronus, Fox 6.